Enter the dinosaurs. A vast ocean is home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
One of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family.
Đó, chụp photo rồi.
In a moment, you will be entering Predator Cove, home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
좋대까 가네 잘하네. 가네 잘하네. 가네 잘하네.
A containment alert. We show multiple containment failures. Repeat, multiple systems failure.
All boats in safe zone.
Una nalo. Una nalo. Tadi saya. Dane hotel đi lại à?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire Darrell. Please remain calm. We have access out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
Owen Brady, the Indominus Rex escape. Please remain in the boat and stay calm. Systems are on their way.
Nó chú được đá trên mẹ. Nó chú đá được thế.
Listen to me. Do not panic.
reasons we can bring Blue out here is because we keep that belly of hers constantly full. When we're gonna bring Blue in front of guests, we feed her once every half hour. Now, the closer we get to that next feeding time, you might already be able to tell. She starts to become more vocal, more active. Hey! She could even get a little aggressive. Right this way, folks. Go ahead and stop. Right about here. You don't want to be in front of Blue when it is time for her to eat. You might also feel this breeze in the air right now. It feels good to me and you. It's actually a bad thing for her. What this breeze does is kick up a bunch of smells she's not familiar with. Those smells, come on up. Those smells are you all. Smells she potentially finds delicious. But when we are a guest, the closer we have to keep an eye on her. Hey, Kevin, let's hold for just a second after this one. Okay, now folks, Blue is starting to get a little agitated. When this happens, you want to take a step back, give her some space. And you don't want to make any sudden moves in front of her. She has the instincts of a hunter. You dart, she's going to follow. Ma'am, that was the definition of a sudden move. Alright folks, we're going to start this cue back up. She is starting to get aggressive. So, we may need to pick up the pace. Come on up, it's okay. Go ahead and stop right about here. This is nothing to worry about. From time to time, Blue will come in for a closer look. Again, there is nothing to worry about. But if there was something to worry about, there's literally nothing any of you can do. Steady. All right, you see how she's kind of shifting her weight back and forth on her feet a little bit? That tells us she is starting to get restless. And when Blue starts to get restless, she starts to get hungry. For those of you folks just joining us, my name's Shannon. I'm one of the dinosaur handlers here at Jurassic World. Great job, folks. Thanks for your help. Right that way. And this is Blue. All right, come on up, come on up. And stop right about here. Easy, it's okay. Now, when you approach Blue, you want to do it smoothly and not too fast. Again, she has those hunter instincts. You don't want to give her any reason to go after you. All right, Blue's next. Give it a try. It's all right, man. Don't worry. I'm watching her. I got control of Blue. You're good. For you folks in the queue, waiting to assist us with Blue's training, you want to make sure to have your documentation.